वाडत वचपी कोविड केशी पळोवन भलायकी मंत्र्यान तज्ञ समितीची बसका घेतली। लोकांनी मास्क घालचें, सामाजीक अंतर तशेंच प्रोटोकॉल पाळचे, तशेंच बुस्टर डोस घेवपाची विनवणी भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे हांच्यांनी केल्या। RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
People are not turned up, sir. Take out, sir, this time.
See, my parents had COVID twice, not once, and both times they were treated in core medical college. So now we are giving them now, but they had to have that pull off the period I should love to give the booster. 3 months has to go. So 3 months had to go for me to give them precautionary dose. So now it will get over any of these days. So I am giving them the precautionary dose. So you cannot say the government is making all efforts to see that the facility is available. Prime Minister of the country, Shri Narendra Modi ji, is the only person or Prime Minister in the country to make it available for all the segments of society all over. Such a large country, but if you go to an international any destination, you have to pay for your vaccination. But you can't say it's failed. Our duty is to provide the infrastructure, provide the facilities. I just said in the press briefing that if people even gather together in a group of 50, 40, 20, we will send a team and vaccinate them. But you can't say that the vaccination can be provided to the people. High time now, people know about COVID. If they want to keep their family members safe and parents safe and elders safe, they must come forward and do it. Government cannot spoon feed all the time. People also have to have responsibility to come forward. We have expert committee meetings. Why? Because we care for the people. We can also appeal to the people to wear a mask. Now we are all in the room here, including me, and we are not wearing a mask.